In this video, you'll learn what is the best keyword search tool out there. Alright, let's jump right into it. Hey guys, it's Adam here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys one of the best keyword search tools out there. And I'm going to give you 3 different keyword search tools you guys can use. So the first one we have is Keysearch Co. Now this is my favorite keyword research tool. Okay, the reason for this is because it has all these different features. They have keyword research, they have quick difficulty, your list, brainstorm, they have an add-on explorer, they have competitive analysis, backlink checker, organic keywords, competitor gap, URL metrics, page analyzer, then YouTube research, YouTube difficulty, YouTube list, rank tracking, and more tools. So the reason why this is my favorite keyword search tool is it covers literally everything you need as a beginner affiliate marketer. Okay, because as you can see, you just type in any sort of keyword or niche. I have a flat belly fix review here because that's a ClickBank product, so you guys are probably searching things similar to this. So as you can see, it on the right, it shows you all the similar keywords you can use. So guys, what you're gonna do is when you're creating blog posts, you also want to sprinkle in some of these keywords so you can start ranking for them, because there's very little competition for all these, as you can see. And yeah, that way you just build up more and more traffic to your pages from these small little keywords. So it shows you the related keywords, and then it also shows you, if you come over here, it also shows the search trends. Then it also shows the top of the SERP, like search rankings. So it shows you who's on the first, who's on the second, who's on the third, and it shows you their page authority, domain authority, their Moz page rank, Moz domain rank. It also shows you how many authority links they have, how many total links they have, the title in their keyword, description if they have the keyword in the description, and if the keyword is in the URL. So again, this is how you can use this information to outrank your competitors, and it also gives you search engine keyword suggestions. Okay. So the best part is, guys, this is one of the cheapest plans. It's one of the cheapest tools out there. It's only $17, I think. Yeah, it's only $17 for the starting plan. Again, if you're a beginner, get the $17 plan. It's one of the best and one of the cheapest tools out there. Next up, we have SEMRush. I'm sure everyone knows about this. You can add your websites here. You can also do position tracking, site audit, on-page SEO checking, social media tracking. Just take a look at domain analytics. You can see the overview, organic research, backlinks, advertising research, PLA research, display advertising, traffic analysis, ranks, domain versus domain charts. That's just one of the sections. Then we have keyword analytics, overview, keyword magic tool, ad history, keyword difficulty. You can have your projects here, marketing insights, SEO content template. They have a bunch of other things. Topic research. You could create your new reports and whatnot. And but the thing about this product, guys, is it is obviously better than Keysearch, but the problem with this is it's pretty expensive. Okay, so it's $9.99 per month for the Pro plan. Then we have the Guru plan, which is the recommended one, which is $199 per month, and then the business is $3.99 per month. So if you come down, it will show you what you guys can do. Results per report: 10,000, 30,000, 50,000 reports per day. And then there's priority package, where you can buy add-ons. There's also projects you can add. With the one project, you could only add 5 different projects, and you get all these things. Okay, you get all plans include site auditing, on-page SEO checker, position tracking, social media tracker, social media poster, backlink audit. You see a lot of these things are actually not bad. Yeah. So if you have the money, get this. But if you're just starting off, this, and you probably don't have $9.99 to spend. Okay, so don't, I guess. Then we have the next tool which I like, which is the Kwfinder. And Kwfinder is it's also a paid tool, but you could also use search like 2 words a day. I think it was 1 or 2. Don't remember. But it's also similar to Keysearch Co. But this one is definitely more expensive. Here you can see it is, for the lowest plan you get, it's $30 per month, where you get 100 keyword lookups. You get 200 keyword suggestions. You get competitor keywords, which are 25 competitor keywords. You get SERP lookups, track keywords daily. You get backlink rows, which are 2,000, site lookups, and you also get you don't get this, I guess. And then their next plan is $40, which includes unlimited competitor keywords. So yeah, this is also another great tool, which it has a lot of different features as well. But if you're just starting out, go with Keysearch Co. You won't regret it. But if you have a lot of money to spend, you could go with the SEMRush. And if you could spend around $40 per month, I'd go with the Kwfinder. But again, guys, my favorite is Keysearch Co, because again, it's just super beginner friendly, and it's super cheap. So anyone can get this. I'll put the link in the description, which gives you a trial. Yeah, it gives you a trial. I'll also put the link in the description for the trial for SEMRush, so you can try it out. And same with Kwfinder. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.